The differential is considered one of the most important part of your car's drivetrain. If your car's been making strange noises or you've noticed handling issues, you might have a problem with your differential. Today, we're talking about the common symptoms of a bad differential and how you can fix some of these issues yourself. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly explain what a differential is. The differential transmits power from the engine to the axle that moves the wheels and allow the wheels to move at different speeds from each other, especially when the vehicle is turning. Now let's discuss the common symptoms of a bad differential. 1. Whining or howling noises. A common sign of a bad differential is a whining or grinding noise, especially when the vehicle is accelerating or turning. This noise is often due to worn-out gears or low differential fluid. 2. Vibrations or shuddering. Unusual vibrations or a shuddering sensation while driving, particularly when turning or accelerating, can indicate issues with the differential. Worn-out bearings or gears can cause vibrations that transfer to the rest of the vehicle. 3. Difficulty turning. Having trouble controlling the car, especially during turns. A faulty differential can make your car pull to one side or feel loose in the rear. You may feel resistance or jerking during turns, which could be caused by worn gears or damaged components. 4. Leaking differential fluid. A fluid leak from the differential housing could lead to low differential oil levels. Insufficient lubrication can cause the differential to overheat or wear out, leading to serious damage over time. 5. Uneven tire wear. A malfunctioning differential can cause uneven tire wear, as the wheels may not rotate at the correct speeds relative to each other when turning. This can result in increased tire wear on one side. 6. Limited power to wheels. A bad differential may cause power distribution issues, making it difficult for the vehicle to move forward smoothly. You might notice that one wheel has more power than the other, especially when turning. Now, not all differential problems require a trip to the mechanic. Let's discuss a few DIY fixes you can try at home. First up, let's check the differential fluid and change it if needed. Next, let's inspect the U-joints and drive shaft. Worn U-joints can cause clunking noises and vibrations, similar to a differential problem. Leaky differential seals are another common issue. Inspect the seals and replace them if needed. If you're not comfortable tackling the repair or the noises get worse after trying these fixes, don't hesitate to get your car checked out by a pro.